Hold up.
Okay, you're gonna have to try this on me. Okay, everybody. Michael, please quit. Okay. Today we are going to be doing the blindfolded. The blindfolded. What is this challenge? Okay, so wish me luck, everyone. Ooh. Who that? Oh my God! That's Kyle Hutcherson. He's hot. Okay. Bring on the weird stuff. No. You gotta show the camera first, just so you know. What is that? Is that a flag? Was that a flag?
Yes. You just threw a U.S. flag on the ground.
Oh crap, now we gotta burn it.
No, let's just about.
Is this the little football dude?
Maybe.
Oh, I think I broke him.
No, he twists. And his head pops off.
Okay.
Just drop it. Not throw it at me.
Oh my God! Oh, this is a pen.
Full.
This is a pencil. This pencil. This camera. Your camera. This is a pencil.
That was my shoulder. That was my shoulder. Whatever you do not drop that because it's glass.
Does it smell?
It needs a fragrance.
Oh, I know that smell. What is it called?
Jordan?
Yeah, I've smelled this before.
Yeah. Can I have it back now? Don't drop it. Be careful. It's sharp. Hold out your hand. That almost went through my foot. It's a throwing star.
Why would you hand me that?
It almost went through my foot.
Oh my God.
It's not anything sharp.
Move. It cracked. Oh, I saw you playing with this earlier. This is a bird. It's a. What color is it? I'm gonna go with penguin or a parakeet or what's a parakeet? What is that?
The head of it. The head of it.
Okay.
My hand.
Okay, this is a Michael sweaty hand.
It's not sweaty.
Hold on, don't hand me anything. Okay. Really? That was a bottle. Okay, no more pointy things.
Touch her with the bat.
Don't touch me with the bat. Okay.
This is awesome. Don't hug me.
What was that?
Ah, gross me.
What is this? Oh my God. Is that hair comb?
That's my hair comb. Threw that at my foot.
It's lice.
I don't have legs.
Took a picture.
Ow.
Is there any film in it?
What's the camera? Is that it?
Yeah. Are we gonna keep playing or not? Let him get a picture of the camera.
5, 4, 3,
Michael!
1. cis person. Whoa!
Hold on, I know
like
what we
a
can do. We're gonna do a star on a Michael show, and you can be the director.
How's it going, bros? My name is
PewDiePie. Oh my God, I love that dude. My name is PewDiePie.
Have you seen my Facebook profile picture?
Yeah.
I added him on Facebook. I know his real name.
No.
Felix.
Kellen Jailbird, whatever.
It's
I added him.
Felix.
I added him on Facebook.
No.
I added him on Facebook, and I think he denied it.
No, I added him too. He just hasn't posted anything.
I think he denied it.
What?
He only has
What?
one profile picture.
Yeah, that's
That's
how you
weird.
tell if it's fraud.